Well, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the University of Manchester and to the Whitworth Hall. It's a great pleasure to see you all here. I'm sorry the weather is not quite as nice as it has been earlier in the week, but we'll do our best to ignore that. A special welcome to the family and friends of today's graduands. We know that many of you have travelled long distances to be here today. We welcome you to the university and we thank you. We thank you for the help, the support and the encouragement that you have given to our graduands during their studies. Now, students have been graduating in this Whitworth Hall for over 100 years. So when you graduands graduate today, you will be following in the footsteps of thousands of former graduates from this university who have gone on to achieve and to contribute in every walk of life. Indeed, former students from Manchester University have reached the very highest levels in science, in the arts, in business, and in politics. And we expect the same from you. Of course, things have changed a lot during that 100 years that students have been walking up these steps. It's now increasingly common for people to receive a university degree. Half of the school leavers in the United Kingdom go into higher education. And this is a good thing because it reflects the real needs of today's society, in which technical proficiency, knowledge, and not just the knowledge, but the ability to acquire new knowledge and to know how to learn new things are an essential requirement to succeed in today's society. And they're a requirement for all of us because we all depend on a myriad of different kinds of professions and skilled people to provide us as consumers with the services which make the fabric of our daily lives. And you are entering that group of skilled professionals who contribute so much to making modern society what it is. Of course, most of you graduating today have gone beyond an undergraduate degree and have carried out research to gain master's or doctoral degrees. And this puts you right at the leading edge of change in your discipline. All of you, therefore, have taken on the challenge of mastering and using complex ideas which have been painstakingly built up by researchers who have gone before you. You should feel very proud of that achievement, and you should relish taking it further. And we, in turn, feel proud of you, very proud of you, as Manchester graduates, and we know you will use your knowledge and your skills to do good work in whatever field you enter. Now, I'm sure that in your time here, you will have learnt some other things beyond the complexities of your chosen subject. Universities both create and transmit knowledge. And in order to allow this process of knowledge creation to prosper, we have evolved universities over centuries as places of debate and freedom of opinion. And those values of debate and openness to ideas are ones which I hope you will see as not just essential to your academic work, but as essential to your wider lives. These values of openness and debate have a wider benefit to the way we interact with each other and live our lives, and I hope you will nurture them in your future careers. For each generation, life gets more complex, although historians may disagree with me. And you need the mental and the cultural flexibility, both at work and in daily life, to cope with that complexity and that cultural complexity. Now that you are graduating, your hard work over the last 1, 2, or 3 years, depending on which program you are graduating from, your hard work is rewarded, and you and your families and friends should feel justly proud of your accomplishment. And through your hard work and your participation, each and every one of you has also enriched this university and contributed to the strength of the university while you have been here. So from our part, from the university's part, we thank you for your contribution while you've been here. Now, as I said a moment ago at the beginning of these remarks, your family and friends have played a vital role in supporting you emotionally, possibly financially, during your studies. And shortly, when you walk up these steps to receive your degree, they will be applauding and clapping, I'm sure, enthusiastically. So before they do that, I think we should pay our respects to them. I think it's only fair that you show your appreciation and we show our appreciation of the role of your supporters and your families and friends. So just for a moment, can I please ask all the graduands to stand and to turn to your right and face the family and friends who are here today. And now please give them a round of applause. Well done, thank you very much. You can sit down again now. So, let me conclude by saying that you are now going to go forward shortly after you've received your degree, carrying the name of the University of Manchester forward with you on your CV as you move into the next phase of your career. That university name is becoming ever more renowned as the university continues to improve its global recognition, the quality of its research, the quality of its teaching, and the way that is recognized not just in the higher education community, but in the industrial and political circles of the world. You will be joining 250,000 alumni of the University of Manchester all around the world, with whom we have regular contact, with whom we have regular email contact and contact in letters and contact in meetings. Indeed, whenever I or my senior colleagues visit large cities all around the world and we hold meetings for our alumni, I can frequently fill the entire ballroom of the biggest hotel in Shanghai with graduates of the University of Manchester who are keen to come and meet with each other and to hear about things that are happening in the university. And whichever city in the world you work in the future, I hope that either I or my other senior colleagues will see you there at some point in those alumni events. So we do hope that this will not be your last contact with the university, and remember that our doors will always be open to you. So that's all I have to say, and I'd now like to hand over to Professor Yong Wang from the School of Mechanical Aerospace and Civil Engineering to say some words to you about what's been happening in the school and why the school you are graduating from is one of the best schools of engineering in the country, indeed in the world. Thank you very much.
The School of Mechanical, Aerospace and Civil Engineering is named after its successful undergraduate programs in the three disciplines: mechanical, aerospace, and civil engineering. Also, we have a number of very successful master's and doctoral programs in the following related areas: advanced manufacturing technology and systems management, aerospace engineering, maintenance engineering and asset management, mechanical engineering design, thermal power and fluids engineering, sustainable electrical and building services engineering, structure engineering, and management of projects. Today, we celebrate the achievements of our students. The school carries out research of national and international importance in a wide range of specialist areas, which are underpinned by research themes that include nuclear engineering, innovative manufacturing, aerospace engineering, climate change, offshore energy and coastal engineering, structure and fire engineering, bioengineering, and modeling and simulation. All areas of our research are underpinned by significant and important energy-related themes for society, as we face the rapid decline for fossil fuels, financial stringencies, and the biggest threat of all, climate change. Both our undergraduate and postgraduate programs reflect this. The recent launch of the Manufacturing Technology Research Laboratory has further cemented the university status as Britain's leading nuclear research university. The Manchester element is located in our school. It is primarily supported by an £8 million grant from the Department for Business, Innovation and Skills. The school's nuclear graphite research group has contributed to the Faculty of Engineering and Physical Sciences' recent successful application for the Queen's Anniversary Prize. Last month, the University of Manchester was chosen to host the National Centre for Doctoral Training in Next Generation Nuclear. This centre will develop the next generation of research leaders to support the UK's present and future strategic nuclear programs. In renewable energy, there is major research activity on energy extraction using marine current turbines, with major funding from the Energy Technologies Institute and EPSRC. The M4M Wave Energy Conversion Device, which stands for multi-body, mode, multi-mode, and megawatts, invented by Professor Peter Stansby, has received major EPSRC backing with industrial support. It is at an exciting stage, undergoing 1 to 8 scale tests in a large wave basin. The £4 million EPRC-funded SuperGem Bioenergy Hub brings together research from various companies and universities, is led by Dr. Patricia Thorney from the school. In the field of solar energy, academics from our school, in collaboration with colleagues from the School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering and other universities, have been funded to investigate the challenges related to the wide-scale integration of photovoltaic systems. The school is active on government committees for appraising the use of tidal energy from the River Severn estuary and for the design of associated barrage. Similar assessment was undertaken for the River Mersey. Tyndall Manchester, which is based in the school, is markedly prominent with advising government and energy and the carbon emission aspects of climate change. The school has formed strategic alliances with a number of major national and international companies. Examples include recent knowledge transfer projects with EDF and Unilever, all of which requires facilities both experimental and computational, and most importantly, people. Through external investment, the school has the largest parallel computer processing power in Manchester and any other university to our knowledge. Our laboratory infrastructure is getting investment both internally and externally. For example, EDF is funding a chair and a research fellow for the Center of Modeling and Simulation, and now houses researchers from both the UK and France. This year, EDF has signed a global framework agreement with the University of Manchester, further cementing the long-standing research links between these two institutions. The University of Manchester is also investing heavily in the school. In the last few months, the school has made a number of key staff appointments, including a professor of welding technology, a professor of water resources, and a professor of advanced manufacturing. The University of Manchester is in the process of investing £250 million to improve its infrastructure. The Manchester Engineering Campus Development, known as MECD, will build state-of-the-art facilities for teaching and research for the 4 engineering schools, including our school, the School of Materials, the School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, and the School of Chemical Engineering and Analytical Sciences. Recently, several school staff and students have received prestigious awards. Professor Lin Li has been elected as a Fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering. Professor Li also received the most prestigious prize of the Royal Academy of Engineering, the Sir Frank Whittle Prize, for his excellent and sustained contributions to engineering innovations in manufacturing, benefiting the economy and the well-being of the nation. Professor Mike Smith was recently awarded a £1 million 5-year EPSSA fellowship to develop high-integrity welding technologies for Generation 4 fast reactors. Dr. Lee Cunningham was awarded the 2013 Institution for Civil Engineers Brunel Medal and the Hackrow Prize for his work on the Blackpool Central Area Coastal Protection Scheme. One of our 2013 civil engineering graduates, Tom Bartley, was described by the New Civil Engineer magazine as one of the cream of the crop of civil engineering graduates and is in the final of the competition for Graduate of the Year award. In closing, I hope it is apparent that the School of Mechanical, Aerospace, and Civil Engineering is making a powerful contribution to knowledge and understanding and is enhancing our ability to offer future generations of students and researchers a world-class education. The future needs engineers to turn ideas into reality. Thank you.
Vice President, on behalf of the Senate of the University, I present to you for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Nidal al-Defai. Adeto Kumbo Bakeni. Claudio Barry. Benod Barmayevar. Graham Edward Barnes. Sibson Idakara. Ahmed Elmisalami. Mustafa Jafarian. Penelope Jeffcoat. James McNaughton. Alexander Mitchell. Adil Ahmed Eltigani Mohammed. Maria Papadaki. Xiu Hong Trevor Wong. And for the degree of Master of Philosophy, Civil Engineering, Matthew James Freeman. And for the degree of Master of Engineering, Civil and Structural Engineering with Honours, Charles Lomas. And for the degree of Master of Science in Advanced Manufacturing Technology and Systems Management, Matthew Chako Tharakan. Siddharth Gadodia. Heng Gu. Fuchi Guan. Archit Sharma. Jianan Zhu. Kei Zhang. Eleni Zuridi. And in aerospace engineering, Francesca Nani. Sami Robert Malouf. Magesh Raj Ravindran. Renzo Ruizi. Jerome Hung Tek Tang. And in maintenance engineering and asset management, Derefa A. Michio Amafebia. Shamsu Amri. Kevin John Bruce. Arno Buskermolen. Jonathan Woodward Eardley. Gary Knight. Ingvar Isvel Christensen. Thomas David Lawrence. David Lindsay. Kenny Sumo Churchill Louvie. Tresnade Prabowo. And in mechanical engineering design, Saad Mohammed Al-Arifi. Mihir Shyam Bajikal. Todor Bechev. Augustin Jose Benitez Perez. Jack Philip Bezic. K. Min Chu. James Drunicki. Zhao Yi Feng. Ricardo Gabriel Guerrero. Zhufen Han. Sami Mishal F. Ibn Shamsa. Adetola Oyutosin Ibrahim. Adrien Xavier Lyons. Kin Chung Ken Lung. Vipin Moni Su Raja Kumari. Sandor Pauko. Mengchi Shan. Shang Sun. Syed Idros bin Syed Abdullah. And in structural engineering, Sheikh Ahmed Shahil Anouf. Kurdo Fuad Abdullah. Saeed Abid. Mohammed Arasogli. Juan Chen. John Okechukwu Ejizi. Mohammed Fraz Iqbal. Iman Kodi. Martin James Kirkpatrick. Jinjin Liang. K. Liu. Siddharth Roshan Menon. Judong Niu. Honoride Ernest Oshogbunu. Virawid Pacharionchai. Karol Mihai Serban. Chi Chuan Tan. Yaju Ji. Zhou Zhen. Yiji Zheng. And in Sustainable Electrical Building Services Engineering, George Francis James Druitt. Malcolm Leslie Johnson. Ewan Cochin. Nicholas William Ollerenshaw. And in Thermal Power and Fluid Engineering, Doreen Ama Apenteng. Abdul Rauf Saeed A. Habibullah. Gaurav Gururaj Shenoy. Abdullah Shrif. Omar Gulaid. And in Aerospace Engineering, Ravi Hindocha.
So today we have celebrated the award of your degrees. So on behalf of the University of Manchester, let me congratulate you and let me wish you the very best of luck in your future careers. We wish you all the best and we hope you're really successful. Go from here and celebrate. And I now declare this ceremony closed. Thank you very much. could you stand?